Sometime back, somebody approached me and told me, he's from my constituency in Nashnola, but he came and told me, sir, my land, somebody has put notice in the newspaper for sale. And when I went to the survey record, I came to know it has been transferred in somebody's name from Kepe, who makes an inventory proceeding in Kepe and transfers the land which is in Nashnola and Bardes. It could happen, like I'm from Margaon and I'm coming in Kurzwe, no problem. Could happen. So I phoned up the Mamladar and told him, this party will come, please give him certified copy. Because you need a certified copy to file an appeal. This is the law. The Mamladar said, was he a party? I said, how could he be a party? His grandfather's name is there. His grandfather died in 1943. And without notice, definitely they have not sent this notice to the cemetery. Without notice to him, the mutation process has taken place. So he said, no, how can we do? We can give you survey form 1 and 14. I said, no. You are bound to give me a certified copy, not RTI copy. Then after that, I said to him, if RTI was not there, what copy would you have given? Would you have said you are not party? When a fraud is committed, then I told him, you pass an order, I will take you to High Court, and I will get a ruling on this. Then he says, no, sir, I will give. I said, don't do me a favor. It should be across the board for anybody who comes before you. It's not a favor to me. I will get the law settled and we will have a certified copy. Evening, he calls me and asks me, sir, can you give me the mutation number? I give him the mutation number. Much after office hours, frantic calls on my phone. I was at a function. I called him around 8 o'clock in the evening. And he said to me, sir, I did the mutation. Not only one, but properties in Anjuna and other places, 8 mutations were done with that one inventory proceeding. I will revert it. And he did the reversion. But what I'm saying is, how does the revenue department work like this? In the stroke of a pen, 8 properties just go, and God knows who those other people were. And then the gentleman comes back and tells me, the house in which I'm staying was the second property of those 8. Just think of it. So therefore, these kind of things where such kind of frauds will take place, may be unintentional, may be intentional, or maybe now fearing the wrath of the High Court and FIR proceedings, he might have immediately reverted the thing. Therefore, I would urge the government that we need to ensure that this process of mutation and also the process of demarcations are done very carefully. Recently also, the case which I had exposed had demarcation by which land was increased from 2222 to 2,22,222. So you can imagine the scale of the land grabbing which went. And therefore, I urge the government that we need to have something put in place. Comunidades are age-old institutions which have been having agrarian content. And unfortunately, we have wolves in sheep clothing who are seeking to grab lands of the comunidades. There are first kind of people who are in-house thieves, and the others are external thieves. The in-house thieves are those who are members of the managing committee, who, having power as members, are grabbing the lands, even filing cases, going before the courts, transferring the properties in their own names or in the names of their family members. Honorable Speaker, I feel that this is a very dishonest means of trying to grab the lands. When they grab this land, the comunidad and the components are deprived of the lands and the revenue. And therefore, I urge the government that we need to bring in an amendment to debar such people, not only during the pendency of the litigation, but also after they have been found guilty of such fraudulent acts from holding office in any post in the comunidades. As far as external thieves are concerned, these are committee members who connive with these people, not appearing in courts or meekly surrendering when claims are made. These also, I believe the government should immediately take action to review all these cases which are disposed of, whether the comunidade had put up a proper defense and whether it's justified to accept the decision or not.